welcome to KK Global One once again. So today's content is about Achieve, as I told you earlier on. So just head over to your Achieve application, okay, and make sure you register your account. Once you log in, you register your account. Make sure you register with your mobile money and then your email address to verify and all that. Okay, I've already done that, so I'm just going to show you how to invest. Okay, yes. So don't worry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Like the name still remains KK Global One. Alright, so click on explore. Okay, once you go to explore, you're going to see your invested account, or you are going to create one for yourself. As you can see, I've already made a deposit, 100 city deposit. So I'm going to explain to you how it works. So yes, this is the page portal of the site. So once you head over to explore, you click on flexible investment. Okay, so once you click on it, you are going to click on the plus sign. I already have one. So yes, it says nice enhanced equity better fund global tech, and with this one it's a 3-year long term, and then the when you can cash out is in 6 months. Yes, and the same thing apply to the stock side, which is the euro bond trust. That's also 2 to 3 years, and then you can never cash out until 6 months. Okay, depending on the purchase or the kind of invest you want. So I'll go with the DigiSave. Okay, which is that with DigiSave you can cash out within 3 days, after 3 days of registration, guys. Yes, so once you're done, you click on continue, and then you give it a name. Okay, what are you investing for? I don't know what you're investing for, so maybe big or something, just a name. Okay, and then the lowest deposit is, I think, 5 cities, but with this one, when you're new, they give you the 10 cities option. So out here you choose your amount, and then if you want to use credit card, you can tap on the credit card, add credit card. Okay, yes, but if not, so then you can add your mobile money. As you can see, I'm using Vodafone Cash, and my account name is on it. Yes, so I'm just gonna enter the amount. This is just a tutorial. I've already made 100 CD to try it out, to see how it goes after a couple of weeks, or a year. I think a couple of weeks, to see how it's going to be. So once it comes, you enter your your Momo pin. Right, so once you are done, you're gonna get a prompt, and then the application will confirm it for you, and that's it, guys. Because I've already made a purchase, I don't want to go into it again, so I'm just going to delete the big. Okay, yes, I'm just gonna delete it because I already have what do you call it, and I've already created one already, which is Excel, and I made a 100 city deposit. So guys, that's very simple, and how you know smooth the application is. It works very fine, very reliable, and free, hands free. Okay, yes. So this is what it is for the Achieve investment application. Okay, yes. So day in day out, I'll be bringing you more updates on how to work on it, how to do new things. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.